it's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
Are you alive? Are you sad, girl? Are you sad? We have so much to do today. Today is officially the move out day. I'm gonna turn off the AC. I literally slept so well. I was so tired. I didn't wake up at all, and oh my god, I'm so glad we kept my bedroom intact. I was not okay to take the bedroom down, so everything is still on the wall. And we're gonna have to box everything up. I'm gonna make my bed for one last time. We're gonna go get coffee. My dad arrives in like an hour. So yeah, that is the plan. I move into the new apartment today and out of this beautiful apartment. So bittersweet. Let's make this beautiful bed for one last time so I can take a picture.
Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time.
I'm so emo. Whatever. It's gonna have to be packed up. Gotta move on. It's like a boyfriend. You just gotta move on at some point. This is my breakup. So although my room is all intact still and it looks like we haven't done much, Katie and I actually were really productive last night. Oh, I think I stopped filming when we had our picnic. You can go watch Katie's video to see what we did for the rest of the night, because we did have quite an adventure on our final night. It was very fun, and we pushed ourselves, even though it was midnight, to pretty much take all of my hanging clothes and put it in my car. So that's all packed up. Pretty empty in here. I just have all my shoes. The bed is empty besides that drawer that has a bunch of bags that we can use to pack stuff. Wow, you are really bad about turning off the lights, Missy. Do you even notice it? Okay, let's go get some matcha.
Don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
There are plenty of things I really should be crying about. This is literally not one of them. Okay, return to We're getting started officially. Katie's allowed to take stuff down on the wall. We just sold the mirror. I'm over it. I made my sad post. Go look at it on Instagram. It's really cute. We recreated a photo for move-in. We watched the old move-in vlog because I'm sentimental and weird. Okay, I'm finding some pump up music. We're gonna make this happen. Happy move out day. The vlog is gonna go up from here, okay?
Now it's exciting because we're moving into
Remember we sat in the car. You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire. The place is grown all wide. Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if they really care. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but let's not go there. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here.
Okay, so it's almost 11 o'clock. My dad, he's a busy man, okay? And I'm really grateful that he's helping me, so he's running a little bit late because my matcha drips everywhere. But my room is pretty much empty except for my bed. This is the only thing that remains intact. Pretty much out of bins, so I'm thinking this might be like a trash bag situation. Yeah, I'm not really sure about that. Everything else is done. My game plan, because I'm moving out today and into the new place, I'm just gonna try to move as much of my stuff there. Like, I'm not even gonna set anything up in the new apartment because it's just too much to do in one day. Yeah, what was I even gonna say? I'm spaced out, but I'm caffeinated and we're still going strong. There are no more tears. We're just like, Katie even said it perfectly. I'm just ready to move on and be done. And then tomorrow is Sunday and we'll probably come back here and do all of the cleaning and take all of the stuff off of the walls. I have to be at the leasing office of my new apartment at 3, so that means we need to leave here by 1, and it's almost 11, so it's gonna be a squeeze. Oh my god, this was like my thumbnail of my move-in day part 2. It was like me like placing this pillow. I'm gonna recreate. Oh. That was literally it. All right, let's stack these pillows. Ah. Whew. The amount of times I've made this bed, like every single day. So 2
Dude, imagine
years.
what it's gonna be like when you move out of your childhood bedroom.
I'll never move out of my childhood bedroom.
That's too much for today.
Is moving hard for you, or am I just crazy? Comment down below. Okay, we're gonna see you when Doug's here.
Can't stay no longer in this. I don't wanna waste no time. Feel it coming now. It's a sign. Never felt like this in my life. Not waiting a minute. Awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa. I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better.
Packing up the dresser. Moving is going well. We're getting stuff in there. I have used this suitcase to move me in and out of so many rooms. It's huge. We never actually use it for traveling. You just simply take out the bin of pre-folded clothes and it moves really well.
We'll cross the border. Can't stay no longer in this town.
Our final meal at Caspian's, a classic move out day. Katie's eating her Thai food. She actually got something she didn't like. Sad.
I'm just still hungry.
Oh. Here's our final view of the day. As you can see, we didn't really fit everything. We kind of knew that was gonna happen, but we're gonna come back. We're gonna do a deeper clean when we have more time. Who knows if we will actually be moving today? We can't get a hold of the leasing office and we might be running a little bit late for our appointment. We're just gonna play it by ear. This is an adventure. Every moving day is an adventure.
We're leaving forever.
Not forever. Oh, I never explained this earlier, but we sold all of our furniture to the girls who are living here next year. All of our like couch and other furniture is staying, which is nice for us and for them. I'll film when we're cleaning, so maybe this won't be the last time you see it. Then we don't have to get sad and emotional because we'll come back. Okay, how about that? We're filling up with gas and Katie's getting so emo, making her final Instagram post. Her honoring
you not
yeah,
with that song?
that song gets me every time. For the
Picture,
drive.
I cannot. The cheers.
We're so slap happy. There's so many emotions on moving day.
You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls do instead.
We're in.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Press that button. One apartment to the next. So excited.
It does feel
It's so silent and it feels so good in here. Standing right here, it's like blowing directly at me. So if you couldn't tell already, wait, did I even film this? We got in to the unit finally. The mattress is in. My first piece of furniture is here. Doug is here. Life is good. Yeah, we're here. So I know, thank goodness. I was watching it really closely and it was fine. Okay, this is exciting, I will say. She's so smart.
Turn it on so you can get one of you guys.
I love you.
Don't wanna play games up with the moves. Don't wanna meditate, girl. With you it's hard.
Well, we unloaded the entire bed of the truck. That's all in. I'm probably not gonna sleep here tonight because I don't even have my bedding. It's all in Eugene. We didn't have room for the bedding, so we let that stay. So now I can't really stay here. That was kind of stupid.
That was so stupid of us.
But it's fine. I mean, it's gonna take a while. There's so much other stuff to do. There's all the organizing to be done. Oh my god, we're glowing.
It's a little warm out there. The final, this is it, my god. The final load. Today, oh, it's so blurry. She's so blurry. Honey, focus. How do you feel?
I actually thought it would be way worse.
It was not bad.
I couldn't have done it without you.
We did really well. Get these in here, honey. My favorite part, the closet.
Are you kidding me? It's only 5:45 on moving day.
Do you want to know what's really nice? How this closet goes back because you can put all
Right.
this stuff that you never
Wear
you
back
need
there.
it, but
Yeah.
you don't.
We're gonna wrap up this vlog when we know what we're doing next. We might go on the boat because we're just so hot. We're ready to jump in.
I wanna celebrate, you know, our togetherness.
as you can see, we are home. We ended up going on the boat for our socially distant party. It was a blast. But that is the end of our like major moving day. Obviously the moving vlogs are not done because I haven't really unpacked anything in my new apartment, and that is why we are still in my room at home chilling out. Honestly, my apartment won't be ready for a little bit, so it's gonna be a process, but I'll take you guys along the whole deal, decorating, organizing, everything in between. I want to give a huge shout out to my wonderful Katie Mack for literally helping me out so much. I don't know what I would do without her. As a thank you to Katie Mack, please go subscribe to her. I'm gonna put her iCard up above. Please click on it and hit subscribe. Today's question of the day is going to be,
I literally can't think of anything. Do you guys feel like watching a show?
maybe we're vlogging now. Do you want to be in the vlog?
No.
Didn't think so. What was I gonna say? What is the best move of your life? Because I feel like there's stressful moves, hectic moves. This probably was definitely one of the better moves. Sad, but I'm just impressed with how it went, like how much we got done in one day. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next update vlog of what's going on. Peace, love, happiness.
They say the day you die when you meet your